Welcome to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank that brings you market views and insights on the go.
Welcome to Cut to the Chase. Today is Monday, the 18th of August. I'm Daniel Lam, your host for the podcast. The long-awaited meeting between Trump and Putin did not conclude with any ceasefire agreement. Instead, the outcome is a desire to seek a peace agreement, as Trump announced on social media then after. This was in contrast against Trump's position going into this summit to threaten stepped-up sanctions on Russia. Also, Trump will suspend additional tariffs on China in purchasing Russian oil. Thus, these agreements will ease inflationary concerns that the markets were worried about. Crude oil prices were down by 2% in Asian morning hours today. So if you put together the relatively dovish inflationary figure last week, plus the weak non-farm payroll figure, you can see that this will pave the way for a likely Fed rate cut in September. Powell's speech at the Jackson Hole meeting at the end of this week will be critical and closely watched over. Now, besides Fed rate cut expectations, equities have also been fueled by yet another strong U.S. earnings season, powered by accelerating AI investments. Guidance from the AI-related technology and communication services sector stays strong, with the two sectors expected to deliver 19% and 13% earnings growth over the next 12 months, respectively. However, we'd also like to point out that the MSCI US Equity Index is trading at 22 times 12-month forward PE multiple, close to its all-time high. A 12% earnings growth estimate for the next 12 months leaves relatively little room for upward surprises. Investor positioning and sentiment indicators suggest there's still room for upside before they turn contrarian. But in contrast, the MSCI Asia ex-Japan and China equity indices are trading at relatively attractive 13.8 times and 12.3 times PE multiples, respectively. So given this, it would be prudent to reduce any excessive long exposure to US equities and rotating to Asia ex-Japan. That is all from me for today. As always, if you enjoy this podcast, please don't forget to rate and like it. Thanks for listening, and we wish you a happy day ahead.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered Money Insights, a podcast series by Standard Chartered Bank. For more details, visit Market Views on the Go on our website or click the link in the description.